Hey guys, and welcome back to another Woodbrew video. This week we are building this hanging training board for climbing. This is super weird filming by myself, but Dylan and a couple buddies are on their way to the Grand Canyon to go hiking, and they're also going to do some climbing while they're in the area. So I'm here doing the intro by myself. Really weird. A little backstory behind this project. Dylan has been climbing before we even met, and just recently I started to get into it, and we've been going to the rock climbing gym about twice a week, 3 times a week, something crazy like that, and I kind of want to get more training involved and behind all that. So this project is what that is all about. My fingers are very not strong at all, so this should help a lot with that. So I am notoriously bad at trying new things, so this is the start of my 2019 New Year's resolution, is to start and try new things, because you never know what you could be good at or what you may enjoy doing. But I'm gonna stop rambling on and let's get into the project. First thing we're going to do is hop into Adobe Illustrator and design our hangboard. We set the artboard to the exact dimensions the finished product will be. We added multiple different holds so we get the most out of this piece of wood and for more practice. As you can see here, there are different shades going on. This is how easel, the program to run our CNC, is designed to determine how deep of a cut an object needs to be. The darker the shade, the deeper of a cut. Designing it first like this before we are in easel will keep everything organized, and so you'll know exactly what needs to happen after importing this file. We want to make sure we save this as an SVG file. Now heading over to easel, we clicked import, selected SVG file, and then imported our hangboard file. We can go around and make all the shapes pass and the right depth they need to be cut. We love how easel makes a detailed preview of your design off to the right, so you'll know exactly how your piece will turn out. We also added tabs to each piece so they don't get flung up after they are cut and be all in the way of the router. We use an 1/8 inch straight bit, and we are taking off 0.06 inches each pass. We love how during a carve you can see how much time is left and where the path of carving has been to and going to. Once all cut out on the CNC, we use a utility knife to cut off the tabs and get rid of the pieces we don't need. To finish it all off, we just went around the top and edges with an orbital sander with 220 paper. Dylan went around all the edges with a router and a router bit so we don't tear our hands up on the sharp edges, and it's a cleaner look. One last round of sanding with our sanding block inside all the holes, and we can pre-drill for our screws. We decided to put this up right over the door because this space wasn't going to get used by anything else, and honestly it's the only blank space in the shop where we could get to it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to Inventables for sponsoring this video. Now enjoy this footage of us trying it for the first time.
That's tough.
Can I even reach one? What do? Just hang here?
Yeah.
That hurts.
Yeah. That's gonna be even harder. So with this single sheet of plywood, it is extremely challenging to use it as a hangboard. So if you're new to climbing or anything like that, I highly recommend that you do a second layer that's cut all the way through. That way, if that makes sense, your holds are a lot deeper. Because right now at 3/4 of an inch, it's pretty tricky. What you think, Molly?
It's hard. My fingers already hurt, and I've only done it. I've only hung there. Haven't even pulled up yet. Great.
Your eyes are completely shut. She's an animal.
You showed that.